Tuesday, August 22nd. And we had a great day today. A couple more people signed up for the Changing Colors retreat. Don't forget, time is ticking. You need to grab your room. I think there's 4 rooms left, so check it out, all right? Don't miss your opportunity. It will be so much fun. All right, this idea came from Chrissy today, so I like it. She is suggesting the Grapefruit Pink Lady. That's the name of the pattern. The Grapefruit Pink Lady. It's a simple lacy, memorizable pattern, relatively sleeveless, it sort of drops shoulder, done in Rios, right? Done in worsted weight. This is shown in glitter, the color glitter, which we happen to have. And so that was her suggestion for today. The pattern is written by Tia Coleman, and it's in a bunch of sizes from 37 or something, from the smallest size up to a 51.5 bust size. I think you can only use, you can start with 3, and then the most you would need is 4. And then after that, there are bigger sizes, but you would need more yarn. So I have, of course, I have pulled solid colors that I have in the Rios that would be spectacular. This is glitter. I showed it to you the other night. It is just a gorgeous color. It almost shines, right? So that is glitter. Then I have cyan, which is such a gorgeous turquoise. Woo! Just electric, beautiful. That would be so fun. Then always Frank Ochre. You know I love that. If you want a little more lighter color weight, I mean. This is blue jean. Be great to do it in blue. This is Ravelry Red. Think about that during the holidays. Wouldn't that be great? So this could be worn over a jumper, sleeveless, now, or a dress, and then later in the winter, long sleeves. You got it made. So, and it says it's very simple. It's an easy repeat, easy to memorize. So, simple lace pattern. So those were my brighter colors. Then we have ivory, which is gorgeous. Would be nice and simple, would go with everything. We have cucumber, which would be a little more springy and brighter, but why not? Then we have almond blossom, I believe, yes. If you're into pastels, these would be gorgeous. Then this is our new color, yerba, that we just got in, which would be a beautiful fall color. Actually, anytime, a good transitional color. Gorgeous, almost a neutral, kind of, would go with lots of things. You can't go wrong with English rose if you're a pink person. And last but not least, Valentine. So Valentina is not lavender, not pink, but somewhere in between. So I have lots of choices that you could make the Grapefruit Pink Lady out of. So check it out. Be great. All right, I am out of here tomorrow morning early, and I won't be back until Monday after work. So I will see you a week from today. May your week be fabulous. May we fill up our retreat pronto. Be awesome. Shannon from the co-owner of Cascade Yarns is going to be here Saturday from 3 to 5 to talk to the social knitters about their yarns and how they work and how they're made all over the world. And then on Sunday, she's teaching a class from 1 to 4 on the boxy lace tee made out of noble cotton. So both of those, it's a no-charge class, but we need to know that you will be here. So if that is something you're choosing to do, let us know. All right. Have a wonderful week, a wonderful weekend, and I will see you a week from today.